Welcome to Automotive Spot, where legends come to life. In this episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of the most iconic vehicles in American automotive history, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Split-Window Coupe. You'll learn the story behind its design, meet the creative minds behind the machine, explore its technical and performance specs, and see why this one-year-only design became a collector's dream. We'll also walk through the restoration process, current market value, and even share personal reflections on why this Corvette has such a cult-like following today. Whether you're a gearhead, history buff, or simply a fan of beautiful cars, this journey through the world of the split window is something you won't want to miss. Today, we're unboxing one of the most iconic, elusive, and revered American sports cars ever built, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Split-Window Coupe. A brief, one-year wonder. A conversation starter at any collector meet. A pristine beast that commands attention, adoration, and jaw-dropping prices. In 1963, Corvette transformed from an American dream to an automotive legend. The split-window Stingray was more than a car, it was a statement etched in fiberglass and chrome. In this video, we'll explore the origin, the art, the engineering marvel, the controversy, and the enduring legacy of this collectible gem. Buckle up. To understand the significance of the 1963 model, we first need to go back to where it all began. The Corvette made its debut in 1953 as Chevrolet's answer to the growing American appetite for European-style sports cars. The early models, known as C1S, featured fiberglass bodies but lacked the performance edge. Enter Zora Arkus-Duntov in 1955, an engineer whose passion for racing and innovation laid the groundwork for what the Corvette would become. He pushed for better suspension, more powerful engines, and a true racing identity. "I realized the Corvette had to become a real sports car," Duntov once said. Without the C1's trials and Duntov's vision, the foundation for the revolutionary C2 would never have existed. As the 1950s gave way to the 1960s, General Motors sought to redefine the Corvette. This vision was brought to life by GM's design head Bill Mitchell and his trusted designer Larry Shinoda. Drawing inspiration from the XP87 Stingray racer in marine life, particularly sharks and rays, the duo sculpted what would become the Corvette C2. This new Stingray was sleeker, more aggressive, and visually arresting. "We wanted something that looked like it was moving even when it was standing still," Mitchell said. The addition of aerodynamic cues, hidden headlights, and a cockpit-like interior gave it a futuristic edge. It was art on wheels, and in 1963, it all culminated in the unforgettable split-window design that we celebrate today. Perhaps the most controversial and beloved feature of the 1963 Corvette is its split rear window. While it gave the car an unmistakable silhouette, it sparked fierce internal debates. Bill Mitchell insisted on the feature for its bold aesthetics, while Zora Arkus-Duntov pushed back, citing poor rear visibility. Ultimately, Mitchell won for the 1963 model year. But that design was dropped in 1964, making the 1963 split window a one-year-only marvel. "I fought like hell to get rid of that split window," Duntov later said. Ironically, the very feature that drew criticism became its most iconic asset. Many owners even replaced the split with a single glass pane, making original versions even rarer toda. The 1963 Corvette was not just a design revolution, it was a mechanical masterpiece. Built on a shorter 98-inch wheelbase, the C2 introduced an independent rear suspension that dramatically improved handling. Under the hood, buyers could choose from several 327 cubic inch V8 engines, topping out at 360 horsepower with fuel injection. Transmission options included a 3-speed, 4-speed manual, and PowerGlide automatic. The car's upgraded suspension, along with better weight distribution and braking, made it more agile than any Corvette before it. As one auto journalist put it, it's the first Corvette that truly feels like it belongs on a racetrack. Upon its release, the 1963 split-window Corvette was an immediate sensation. Chevrolet sold over 21,500 Corvettes that year, including 10,594 split-window coupes. The public adored the futuristic styling, and the car received critical acclaim for both its looks and performance. Over time, the 1963 model became an American icon, often appearing in films, television, and high-end car shows. It bridged the gap between muscle and elegance, becoming a cultural symbol of 1960s optimism, innovation, and freedom. One collector said, "You don't just drive a split window, you arrive in one." Today, the 1963 split window is among the most coveted classic cars on the planet. Its value lies in its rarity, design, and historical significance. Auction prices for original, well-preserved models often exceed $250,000, with some reaching well over $400,000. Restored examples with matching numbers and original parts fetch premium prices. The Z06 race package adds even more value, as only 199 units were made. As more enthusiasts recognize its importance, the demand continues to rise. A Barrett-Jackson auctioneer once said, "It's not just a car, it's a piece of rolling American art." Restoring a 1963 split window is both a challenge and a privilege. Every curve, every bolt, and every panel tells a story. Restoration experts often spend months, if not years, scouring for authentic parts, referencing factory schematics, and ensuring historical accuracy. The effort pays off, especially when the vehicle debuts at a concours event or auction. Some modern builders create restomods, blending classic aesthetics with contemporary technology, fuel injection, modern suspension, and luxury interiors, while preserving the essence of the '63 legend. As one restorer put it, restoring a split window is like preserving a sculpture. You don't just fix it, you honor it. For many, the 1963 Corvette split window was more than just a machine, it's a memory, a dream, a turning point. I still remember the first time I saw one in person. It wasn't just parked, it was perched like royalty, commanding a quiet reverence. That deep V8 rumble, the glint of chrome under sunlight, and that impossibly perfect split window, it all felt larger than life. It's a car that ignites emotion. It reminds us why we fell in love with automobiles in the first place. As one enthusiast put it, when you drive a split window, you don't feel time passing, you feel time reversing. The 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Split-Window is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and American spirit. It broke rules, sparked debates, and created a legacy that lives on through every car show, auction, and enthusiast gathering. Its one-year-only design makes it a unicorn in the world of classics, a snapshot of a time when automotive design dared to be bold. As long as people dream about the open road and appreciate the fusion of form and function, the '63 split window will remain the holy grail of Corvettes. Thank you for joining us on this ride through history. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share your favorite Corvette memory in the comments below. Until next time, keep chasing the rare ones.